everybody! It's been a week since we uploaded Em's anxiety vlog, so thank you so much for sharing it. We had a really positive response from that video. Thank you to everyone that shared it and watched it. Please keep sharing it if you haven't done already, or go and watch it if you haven't done already. So, today, Em's been doing... Today Em has been to uni. I've been writing essays, but then we decided to do something fun, so we've booked to go to a trampoline park. I say it's fun, I'm really nervous.
It is fun, you're worse.
Because when I went to bounce below, I hurt my foot, possibly broken it.
Definitely broke it, and then now it's like healed wrong.
Anyway, we're going to a trampoline park, which will be terrifying, but really exciting, really fun. So we're going to take you with us.
We've both had to sign a disclaimer, which is slightly concerning.
That's common for all these things, but basically, if we hurt ourselves,
we can't sue.
They ain't bothered.
Welcome to Jump Extreme.
Honestly, one of the most tiring things we've ever done.
It's so tiring.
I'd recommend it though. All my kind of fears about hurting myself have either come true or been subdued. My ankles are fine. Em loves it now. She's going giggly.
No head, no head, no head, no head, no head.
Go to a trampoline park, it's fun. Go to Jump Extreme. Really helpful staff members too. Really lovely, let us in early because there was no one here. Oh, I'm doing this at the same time. Yeah, really lovely. And they just join in when they can. It's nice. There's a dodgeball area, volleyball net, and there's the big jumps, there's the basketball, and there's a cafe if you want to come and watch but don't want to jump. There are people here doing big jumps though, and
It's a bit awkward if I'm honest.
all I'm doing is jumping up and down.
And we're proud of ourselves. We're on the way home. Oh, I'm not in focus. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We're on the way home. It was super fun. I am shattered. Are you shattered?
I'm tired and I'm sweaty and I smell.
That's nothing new really, babes. It was really good fun, but it took way more energy than I expected it to. But it was really good. I would defo recommend. So hungry. I've got mini eggs in my bag and I'm trying to resist. Shocker, I've got mini eggs, I know. And I'm trying to resist. But I really want to eat them.
Considering I hate heights, I was proud of me jumping off that big thing.
Yeah, apparently it was only like 2 meters high, but once you go up there, it felt about 55 meters high. Whew. It was really good fun. I did it a lot. Ben only did it once because he's a wuss.
No, once is enough.
I don't need to prove myself. I'm injured, bruised, frictioned. We're home. This is actually the second time we filmed this because Ben forgot to press the record
I forgot?
button.
Yeah, you were recording your scrape.
You were recording my scrape.
No, at first it was you and I just took the camera off you.
Well then well yeah, of course I wasn't recording there because it wouldn't focus.
Does she or does she not film herself and go, oh, is this focused?
We are home.
I need to squat again, don't I?
You do. Short people problems. It was really good fun. We're both shattered though.
My legs are on fire.
Yeah.
So we went to Aldi on the way back because we want roast chicken tonight. We went in for one thing, chicken. And we came out with...
Take a guess. 7. Not 7 chickens.
No.
7 things.
But we did actually come out with a chicken. Sometimes we go in for, say, chicken, and we come out with 7 other things, but no chicken.
At least we achieved the chicken this time. I caved. And I've started eating them. Right, thanks for watching. Look at the size of this carrot! I can't say what I want to say, but I'll say it.
No, and I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. Rude. What's going on?
I'm tired.
You just collapsed.
I'm so tired. It's because I've stopped eating junk today. I had to stage my own mini egg intervention. And I'm getting withdrawals. I'm so tired. Is it still filming?
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Good luck.
Do you need the sugar?
No, we don't need it. It's good. This is like sugar leaving my body, but oh.
Hello, I'm home from work.
They didn't know you were at work.
You filmed me in work?
True. Okay. Cut.
So I'm home and we want to have some nice special food, but we can't afford to go out because that's real life. So we're going to make some Slimming World dishes, so it fits my diet. We're going to make pudding. We're going to make a chocolate cloud cake. So we found the recipe. It's all Slimming World, and then we're also going to make chicken curry for dinner. Korma, right?
Yeah. We're going to make a cloud cake, so...
Chocolate cloud cake. It's no flour or sugar, it's just eggs whipped up and with sweetener and vanilla essence and cocoa powder. And it's 7 sins, no.
6 sins for the whole thing.
No, 12.
Oh yeah, 12 sins for the whole thing. But we eat half each, so that's why I thought it was 6 sins
I'm
for the whole thing.
gonna stop doing this now. So let's get on with it. This is the chocolate cloud cake.
Major flaw in our plan. We do not own a loaf tin. This is our loaf tin. So we're gonna have a bit of a movie night. We're gonna move the table, and this is a sofa bed. So we're gonna pull out the sofa bed so we can have a really lazy movie night.
Ooh, they look good.
Okay, so dinner's ready and we have snuggled up on the little bed. So we're in for the night now, we're gonna watch a film. We're gonna finish off Night and Day, and then we're gonna watch National Treasure, I think, which was one of my favourite films when I was a kid. I'm still doing this. And yeah, and we'll see you on Wednesday.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you soon.
Bye.